Hello guys, this is Andy from Intuition Systems. In this video, we're gonna see about item cost estimate. Now click on product and tax. Now click on the item you want to estimate the cost. Here I'm clicking chicken biryani. Then click on ingredient. Now you can add the recipe. Map the recipes by selecting the ingredient. Click on the tick button. Let's say this recipe uses zero point 0.1 kilogram of chicken and zero point 0.2 kilogram of rice. Now we know what is the cost estimate for making a chicken biryani based on the recipe. So it says 32.53, and based on the stock levels it also says how many chicken biryani you can make. It shows 45 chicken biryani. So now click on the tick button and then click on save. So this way you can price the item based on your cost, so the profit margins can be easily kept, and the cost can be easily calculated. Thank you.